Hey YouTube, it's Dan, also known as Art Vandalite. Today's video, I'm gonna just start filming and see what happens. Stay tuned. Six items going out today. 3 of them I was going to ship out yesterday. They were all to the same. They were all to the same buyer, so I had them packaged up. I sold these 3 Xbox 360 controllers to one buyer, had them packaged up, and when I went to go ship this out, I realized that they were drop shipping them. One buyer bought 3 of them, but they're all going to 3 different addresses. I have 2-day handling on my eBay store. 2 of the white controllers, they sold for $14.99 plus shipping, and then I had a black and gray one that sold for $16.99 plus shipping. None of them are in great shape. I had replacement battery packs on the back. I bought them they were part of a lot deal that I bought them specifically for the controllers, and the controllers are just they're just really in bad shape. So you usually get, looks around $20 for these. Kind of just put them down just to move them out of here, and they sold pretty quick, I think a day or 2. So maybe I should have asked for a little bit more. I don't know, $14.99 and $16.99 plus $5 for shipping. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna get these repackaged up into different boxes and get them off to the right buyers. Next item I sold was this. I already packaged it up. It's 2 Bill O'Reilly audiobooks. I bought these on eBay. I paid 84 cents a piece for them. I bought a humongous lot of, actually 2 lots of audiobooks on eBay to resell on eBay. I bought them over a year ago, and the last few weeks I thought about it. I probably want to just blow those out of my store. I have a lot of them. They're like single copies, and they're not really worth that much. And then the second I do that, I actually sold this set plus another. One's called A Bold Fresh Piece of Humanity, and the other one's Killing Kennedy. And those both sold for $6.29 plus shipping. I've done okay with those. I had over 100 and something of those. They sold pretty quick. Some of the better titles, these have been kind of sitting around. Actually, I thought this one would sell sooner. Next audiobook I sold is this Nora Roberts collection. It has 3 books in it, and this sold for $9.99 plus shipping. And this is from the same lot. I have 84 cents into this one, so this one sold for $10. I sold this. It's called Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea and Fantastic Voyage. It's a dual disc DVD. I got this free from my buddy Philly Picker. I just talked about this in my last video, and this copy sold for $11.69 with free shipping. Happy to have that go out. It's gonna cost about $2, or it's gonna cost $2.80 to ship that. I've been working on this stupid game for like 2 days now. I just kind of haven't messed with it. I have this all set up right now, and I didn't want to mess with it. I left it here because I'm going to finish putting it together. This is the game of Life, a bunch of pieces. Life is one of my favorite games, so I don't mind looking through this one, but I'm gonna see how this one does. It looked like I had this sitting for a while because I had sold one, and I think I sold it for like $12.99, and I was like, man, that's really this one takes a lot of counting all these pieces. There's all these, it's called Spin It to Win, so you have to count all these little things, these things. This one takes some time. So if this goes for $12.99 again, I might be done with this. But when I was looking up, comps go from around I think $20, maybe $24.99. Well, we're gonna find out eventually how much this sells for. I'm gonna finally get this listed today and stop messing around with it, because I need to work. I don't have much area to work in here, and so I try to have my room, I need to maximize the space I have. So I've been working really hard on trying to make stuff where this is usually filled with junk, so I have most of it cleared off. These are the DVDs that Joe sent me. Those are the ones I have listed that I've been working through. So I have a bunch more down here. But once I list them, I'm gonna put them in here, have them in alphabetical order, and then I'll put them away someplace better. But that's where they're at right now. But like, I kind of use this for stuff I'm working on. This is all my shipping supplies right here. What's supposed to be. Got all kinds of crap in there too. And this is stuff I'm working on also. Some stuff's listed, some stuff's not. But yeah, that's what I have going on in here. This is all stuff. This is my goal right now, is to get this off the ground. I don't want anything on the ground anymore, so I don't trip and break my neck. The last item I have going out today is, look, I sold this. It's a 1975 Starvette from Barbie. It's made by Mattel. It cost me $2 today. It's missing a lot of pieces to it. I feel like I can probably get 25 to 30 bucks for this. It'll be in a video when I do a what sold. It says Barbie on the back there. I've had watchers and I've sent out offers for I don't know how long. Yesterday I ended up having one person send me an offer in an email that they would pay me $20 shipped for it, and then overnight it sold for $24.99 plus shipping. I was not going to take $20 shipped because I had so many watches on this and I knew it would eventually sell. I packaged up that stuff, go to the post office early to get this stuff out of here. I am back. I went to the post office, dropped off my packages, and went to the store. Had to grab a couple things that I forgot the other day when I went to the store. And now I'm going to take pictures of this so I can get it out of here. Get some other work done in here today. Well, I checked the cards. I counted these. There's just 54 cards. This has everything except it's missing the bankers. I don't know if you can see that. The bankers tray. That's the only thing it's missing. So it has everything else. I think I'm gonna try to sell it for like 20 bucks. This one isn't the it's the 40th edition. So I took pictures of 8 things, then I brought this out. This has been sitting up there. This is the top loader.
It's top loader in front of it.
Yeah, I saw that. Well, first time I tested this, I couldn't get to work. So then I went ahead and I cleaned it with some isopropyl rubbing alcohol. And I cleaned it inside there. And then I got it to work. I got these 4 games to work. I have about 4 that didn't work. I don't know. This Bionic Commando, it sells for, it's like $18 by itself. So I'm going to sell that separately. I don't know if I'm just gonna put Super Mario. I don't know what to do. This sells on its own. Or Super Mario 3 with a jacked up freaking thing. You don't take care of your labels, man. But the ones I've seen on their own are in way better condition. So I'm gonna debate if I just sell. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. If I'm just gonna sell the system by itself with no games, because the only games I could get to work, like I don't know, maybe I just put Super Mario and Hoops game together with it. I haven't even looked up comps. The first time I looked at the comps, these were when did they make these?
Oh, I would say early 2000s.
Okay, so it was I remember when they came out, but I've never seen anyone sell them. There's some selling. They sell pretty good. I was testing a few electronics. I tested this. I tested it. Radio works. The alarm works. Everything seems to work on it except for the CD player. If I can get it open. I think it's dusty. I had some canned air and it ran out, so I have to get some more, and hopefully this isn't broken. I've had this for a while and the CD player didn't work, and I've just had it sitting on that shelf. All right, so it's later in the night. I made my lunch around noon, and then I was gonna I'm just gonna take like 30 minutes and then I'll get back to work. And I ended up taking like 2 hours. I took a 2-hour lunch, and then I started doing my listings. I ended up doing 9 listings today. Goal is to list at least $100 worth of profit a day. I was eventually, like, obviously to make it more. At the beginning of this video, I started talking about, I was just going to pick up the camera and film what I did today. And what I did was I went through this room and was working on trying to make sure I listed items that were in this room. That's the thing, is that I had stuff in here that I bought months ago. I had haul videos. It was on a haul video, and it's just been sitting here because I messed with it. I had something wrong with it, like the CD player, the radio clock, alarm clock, radio CD player. The CD player doesn't work, and I was like, oh yeah, I'll fix it, and it just sat here for months. And then the Nintendo, it's just been sitting there. The Nintendo's like $150. That's a good sale. I'm probably gonna sell that within like 2 weeks, and it's been sitting here like May, and that's just $150. I could have used that. I could have reinvested that money in way better stuff, or not better stuff, but way more stuff since then, and I didn't. The video is about me not making a death pile, or people can call it money pile, but this obviously is a death pile. I had money just sitting here that I could have reinvested and bought new stuff. So, and it's me not saying so much. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video just a little bit, hit the thumbs up for me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So I'm gonna ship those out today. So I'm gonna try not to say so. So I'm happy. I'm gonna cut out every so. I swear to God. Why am I saying so? I say so a lot, but I feel like I'm saying so much right now. So I said so again. Oh my God, if I say so one more time, so help me God. Oh, that doesn't count because I did that on purpose.